MMEx includes market-leading care plan functionality. Care plans can be used to support care of well patients throughout their lifetime, management of chronic disease, as well as program-specific requirements. Care plans are viewed on the Care Plans tab of the patient clinical record. To add a care plan to a patient record, click on Add New Care Plan. You will see a list of available care plans that is comprised of the global care plans your organisation is subscribed to, as well as those created within your organisation. This list is filtered by relevant gender, ethnicity, and observation criteria, as defined in the care plan template. It may be further refined by privacy settings applied to the care plan templates. You will only see the care plans that your organisation allows you to see based on your role. Select a care plan to view the included activities. To add the care plan to the patient record, select a start date. If the plan is a lifetime plan, the start date should be the patient's date of birth. You may wish to record a date of diagnosis or assign a privacy level to this care plan for this patient. Click Choose this care plan for patient. You will see a list of all applied care plans on the Care Plans tab. Click View Activities to view the activities from all applied care plans, or select the individual care plan to view the activity content. The default schedule view provides a visual representation of the care plan content, and the Activities view displays a list of activities and their configured schedules. Each care plan is made up of a number of care plan activities. The activities are listed down the left side of the screen. Activities display when they are relevant to the patient's age. Activities may be categorized, though this category is for display purposes only. Each activity has one or more scheduled events. These may be regularly occurring or one-off events, and are represented by the colored squares in the schedule view. There are a range of possible statuses for each event. Blue is pending, red is overdue, yellow is rescheduled, brown is declined, orange is in progress, green is complete, purple was missed but subsequently completed, and grey is ceased or archived. The current state of the activity can be viewed at the far left of the screen. Hover the mouse over the icon to see additional information about due dates. Care plan activities can be completed from the schedule view. Left-click on an event square, then click on the date hyperlink. The activity window will open. You will see the activity name, a description or work instruction, and the current status of the event. The activity may be blank. Clicking Save will mark it as complete. Each activity is individually configured to display a range of items. Immunization events. Record the immunization detail. Click Add, then Save to complete the activity. An assessment control, such as smoking. Add the record. Click Add, then save the activity. There may be a link to a form to complete. Click on Launch Form to open the form in a new tab. Once completed, the completed form will be hyperlinked here, and the activity will be marked as complete. There may be observations to record. Record the observations and click Save. A medication event may be linked to the activity. Details of the event will be displayed. With the medication control included, the action can be completed here. Save the activity. An activity may be configured with pathology items to request, a form launch button, and also observations to be recorded. Launching the form and ordering the pathology tests will move the activity to In Progress. When the results are received and the observations are automatically populated, the activity will be marked as complete. When you have saved an activity, if there are outstanding mandatory items, the activity will change to orange, In Progress. If all mandatory items have been recorded, the activity will change to green, Complete. You can override the requirement for mandatory items to be completed by selecting Override Complete from the Action menu. You will need to record a reason. You can record that a patient has declined to have an activity completed by selecting Decline from the Activity menu. Record a reason and click Save. If you want to delay an activity, this is best done by rescheduling. Select Reschedule from the Action menu. Record the reason and select the new date. Click Save. The activity that you have rescheduled will display in yellow, and the new instance of that activity will display as pending. You can also complete activities by opening the to-do list. You'll see a list of overdue and in-progress items, as well as items pending in the next 2 weeks by default. Here, you can select multiple activities and complete them at the same time by clicking on Complete Selected Activities. You can add activities to a patient care plan in 2 places. On the to-do list, click Add Activities. Search the list for the activity that you want to add. This list is made up of the available configured activities. There may be activities with the same name, but with different completion or display properties. To make sure you select the one you want, use the information icon to look at the content. Click Add Selected Activities. If an activity already exists in an applied care plan, it will be made visible in the to-do list. If it is a new activity to the patient, it will display in the to-do list as a new ad hoc activity. Ad hoc activities can be completed, but do not repeat as they have no linked schedules. You can add a schedule from the completion window. To add a new repeating activity, open up a care plan. Click on the Add Activity button and select the activity that you wish to add. Again, use the information icons to identify the completion requirements. Once you've selected your activity, you'll be prompted to add a schedule. You can select an existing schedule from the drop-down menu at the right-hand side of the screen, or define a new schedule. For more information about configuring care plan activity schedules, refer to the Care Plan Administration tutorial or the user manual. When an activity or a care plan is no longer required on the patient, it can be archived. Already completed activities will still display in the schedule, but overdue and pending activities will be removed from the active view.